Hello, I'm Joel from Victor, and today I'm going to be demonstrating the Victor Mini Scrubber. So I think you'll all be aware that in many different product portfolios, the machine that's missing is that machine that gets into the tight spaces, the nooks and crannies, around the base of toilets, around skirting, stairs. This is something we've seen a lot of demand for, and so we have introduced the Mini Scrubber. So the problem with these types of areas is that the only way to clean them is to really get on your hands and knees and give them a good scrub with your hand and a stiff brush, which isn't sustainable and it's not safe for the staff to do so. And then you get all these areas where the dirt builds up in the corners, on the stairs. You have a lovely clean floor and you get these annoying bits of dirt in places that are difficult to reach. So this is designed to be easy to use, robust, ergonomic, and to fit and give you a good machine clean in all the tight spaces. So how does this work then? So the machine looks a bit like a strimmer. You've got a simple trigger button at the top, nice and simple and self-explanatory to use. Two adjustable handles here. So you've got the handle which you hold as you move the machine around. This is adjustable in both ways. And also you've got an adjustable bracket here, which allows you to lengthen or shorten the actual height of the machine to suit the user height or maybe for using stairs. And also, the machine is highly versatile because not only can it be used with the handle, it can also be used without. With a simple click of a button, you've now got this option to use it as a handheld machine and get into even more spaces which you might not be able to with the long handle. The machine comes with a swap out battery. You have one on charge and one in use. That lasts for 45 minutes. And then you've also got a range of different heads to make sure that you can access all the areas. What you're looking at is the nylon splay brush. And because the brushes are an angle, that allows you to get into the sharp right angles. And then we also have the stair brush here, which has got an increased height so that you can use it on a stairwell to clean both the riser tread and the flat step. So with that, we will show you how the machine works. So we advise putting a good bit of moisture down, and then it's as simple and easy as 1, 2, 3. Turn it on and off you go. Now the machine's very nicely weighted because you've got just enough weight to give it a good down pressure, but without it being too heavy to use. And that's because the weight of the machine, including the motor and the battery, is all centered on the head. And when that rests on the floor, you're not feeling any strain at all, and you're getting that good down pressure to clean all those areas you couldn't clean before. So that's the Mini Scrubber, robust, versatile and easy to use. Thank you.